What is up everybody, welcome back to our channel with another new video of Hot Wheels Open Blister. If you guys enjoying the video, please click like button, subscribe if you are not already, and click the notification bell. For more video like this, head up to our channel, link in the description below. Let's go ahead and look at the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious series. What we have here is Hummer H1, 1 out of 5 from the set Furious Off-Road. As you can see, the card art in front is pretty straightforward. A picture of Hummer itself. And then back of the card, it's written Furious 7. But I'm not sure if this car was really featured in Furious 7. I don't really know if this car was driven by Hobbs or Mr. Nobody. Maybe you guys know, you can comment down below and let me know. Other cars that belong to this set is Land Rover Defender 110, 67 Chevy Camaro, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, and last but not least, Impreza WRX STI. I'm certainly sure that Impreza WRX STI in the movie. Definitely. Now the moment that we've been waiting for, let's open blister. Since this is the premium series by Hot Wheels, it comes with rear riders, which is rubber tire, metal base, metal top or metal body. This car is quite simple, there's no livery, not much. See some close-up. I should say the tempo or livery is very minimalist. You can see some details on the headlight. From top view, there's nothing except for the hood. However, at the back of the car, you can see some details. The brake lights, the Hummer branding, and also a license plate, which clearly shows the number. Here we go with some close-up. Here we can see the information, the base of the car, manufacturing code, the model number, copyright year, and lastly the country where it was manufactured. There are few Hummer from Hot Wheels, but I believe this is the new casting specifically for this model. With rear riders, this car roll well. Normally kids don't really like a rear rider's car because it don't perform well on track. Yeah, it's more of a display kind of car, in my opinion. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, help the channel grow. Head up to our channel for more video like this. See you next time. Bye.